Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm Swapnali. For those of you all who are new, a lot of you guys met me yesterday in yesterday's YouTube live, and I was so happy. It was just so nice connecting with so many of y'all. So today I am making a video wherein I'm going to show you, as the title suggests already, you guys know. But in today's video, I'm showing you how to do your eyebrows, and this is how I do my eyebrows. A lot of people I know, we do not end up doing our eyebrows. I know I used to not do it for the longest of time, and then suddenly something happened and I started, and once I started, I literally legit cannot stop now. So I have done my full face of makeup. I have just not applied too much foundation today because I do have, as you can see, I have like some breakout, like not some, one breakout happening, which is normal, guys. No matter what you do, certain, like, your routine changes, this changes, that changes, you might have a breakout or two. Nothing to panic about. And I don't know if I'm telling this to you or I'm telling this to myself, but yeah, in all honesty, nothing to panic about. I will be sharing my nighttime routine as well in tomorrow's video, because I'm just going to be filming it in a bit. So I'm going to share with you guys what I do when I am getting a breakout. And this, that like, whatever routine I have set, it works really well for me. And yeah, I think it will work really well for you as well. Not, it's worth giving it a shot. So yeah, anyways, I'll be sharing that with you, but today I'm going to show you how to fill your eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just coming a little closer to the camera. So first, to tell you what am I using, I am using, I am just figuring out, guys, how to, get this camera to stop mirroring the image. Anyways, I'll figure that out. But I am using the Etude Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. Visible, not visible. Okay, it's the Etude Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. And any eyebrow pencil you take, I highly recommend this one. This is really a cheaper alternative to, the oops to the more expensive eyebrow products. Okay, and it's a good quality product. Etude House, we know, we love the brand. So yeah, this is a really good brand. Now, any eyebrow pencil you get, you're gonna get this one part, which is the spoolie. And spoolie is basically a eyebrow brush to just kind of brush your eyebrows. And then the next part that you are going to get is the actual eyebrow pencil. Now, the first rule, never go for a black color eyebrow pencil. I have black hair. I mean, my hair might look a little different because I have tried to make my hair look brown. I applied a brown dye, but my hair did not really take the dye too well. So my hair still looks like mostly black. My eyebrows, if you see, they are pitch black. That is, so even a person like me with like extremely dark hair, you always have to go in for a dark brown color pencil. Light brown will not work, it will still look really patchy. Black will look very weirdly patchy. It will look like, you have put a marker or kajal. So kajal, eyeliner, never use that. You have to use a eyebrow pencil only. Okay, now let me tell you what I do. So first things first, you just want to brush your eyebrows upwards. See, when I started brushing my eyebrows, can you see there are more gaps over here? So you just want to kind of brush your eyebrows upwards, just to sort of see the gaps which are there. And do I have a mirror with me? No, I don't. So I'm just going to look in the camera and figure it out. Oh my god, guys, scammers, trying to scam me all the time. So now what I do is, as you can see, this part is a little, patchy. So what you are going to do is, this is your eyebrow pencil. Take this part. Okay, this is the thicker part. The eyebrow pencil will be something like this. Oh my god. Okay, so this lower thicker part is what I am going to use to kind of just, okay. And again, you don't want to have like extremely dark lines like these. Just go in for smoother lines like these. Okay, this will mimic your hair. This will look like a brown color which you have applied. So as you can see, I'm not holding the pencil here, because if I hold the pencil here, I'll get dark strokes. I'm holding the pencil, see how far, so I can get lighter strokes. Okay. Yeah. And then you just want to do put some pressure, because only when you put pressure you'll get the color out, and just keep filling it in till you are happy with how your, the way your eyebrows look. Now over here is the tricky part. So over here you have to just very lightly start drawing your hair, and try to go in the direction of the hair. So when I'm drawing my lower thing, I'm gonna go in this direction, and when when I am filling it here, I'm just gonna go in the upper direction. Okay, and we're just gonna try and mimic our hair growth pattern only. Right now, what you are going to do is, once you have filled your eyebrow product a little, again take your spoolie and just brush it like this. So what that is going to do is, it is just going to disperse your eyebrow color in a much more smoother manner. And again, depending on how dark you want your product, you can, again, like if you feel ki, oh, it's not dark enough, I wanted a little bit more darker, you can again kind of just go in the parts. Now over here, if you feel, some more color will look good, you can go keep filling. Okay, then once you have filled your color in, you always have to go back to the brush to brush your hair out. Okay, and that's really important. It will give the if there is too much powder or too much color anywhere, the brush will just sort of minimize that. And as you can see, this one looks a bit more defined than this one. See, look at this eyebrow and look at this eyebrow. Can you see the difference? This looks like more thinner, more like I don't have good hair growth over here and stuff. Can you see it's full like taklu? But over here it looks like I have like a good amount of eyebrow hair. And that is really how I do my eyebrow, and how you can do it too. And it's really simple. Just keep these small pointers and tips in mind, and I know it will help you out. So please do consider subscribing if you thought this video was helpful, and it will really mean a lot to me. It will really help me out as well. And yeah, I keep doing YouTube lives, so please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when I come live as well, I you will get a notification. I'm so sorry, you'll get the notification and we can connect. I can just say hi to you guys if you just drop by in in the YouTube live. Also on Instagram, I share a lot of content, a lot of good products that I like using, just a lot of stuff. So if that is something that might interest you, please do consider following me on Instagram as well. And yeah, I hope this video helps you out. If you have any further questions, ask me any question you have in the comments below, and I promise I will get back to you. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon in tomorrow's video. Bye bye, take care.